Hello you guys, and welcome to this edition of Ask Chantel. So we are opening up a Nadine West today. So excited, let's get into it. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chantel from AskChantel.com. These are my two girls, Selena and Eden. I am a Christian mom and wife and a relationship expert. And I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives and healthy families. Welcome to our channel, and we hope that you love the video. So Nadine West sends me clothes to share with you guys every month. She's a clothing subscription service for women. Oh my gosh, I can never open these things. And she sends a cute, there we go. She sends this cute pink package right to your doorstep. So if you don't have time to go shopping, but you still want to look cute, then Nadine West is here for you. All right, so it comes in this pink package wrapped up all cute with the Nadine West sticker on there. Yellow, I see yellow. Okay, so let's see what it is. It is, oh, it's like a jumper. I'm like, what's the word for this? It's a jumper. It has like little legs, goes all the way down, and then the little top. Super cute. Just so you guys know, I'm probably out of season for this because I've been so crazy busy when we moved, but look how cute. Leggings. Pants. Ooh, those look comfortable. These are, I guess we call these jeggings, right? And it has like a little tie, pinstripe, cute. But hey, I live in California, so you know, it just depends on the day. Here's another, we put these outfits together. Oh, red. Now this is a color that looks really good on my skin tone that I really don't have a lot of. Oh, and it's a dress, mama. What? Okay. It looks like it's gonna be a little skin tight. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see. Oh, this is so pretty. Like millennial pink, aka what my mom called mauve. Y'all didn't know about that mauve, huh? It's cute. Little t-shirt. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. I love that color. It's actually really pretty. It's like a muted rosy pink. Oh, and then there was a nice little kimono. And I have all the prices for you on AskChantel.com. Oh, and I think I forgot to mention, you pay $9 for shipping, and then whatever you do like, you keep it, and that $9 applies. And whatever you don't like, then you know, you don't have to pay to send it back. You just put it back in there, the little shipping label, and there it goes. All right, some mauve little pants there with the drawstring, and then there's jewelry. Let me see. Oh, there was more in here. Oh my gosh. It's usually 2 sections, but today I had 3. Okay. My stylist is loving me. Oh, I also forgot to mention that you fill out a style profile on nadinewest.com and they will get you hooked up. Oh, how pretty. It's like floral. This kind of feels like a bit of a thicker fabric. I'm gonna keep these to the side because they were put separate. So that means that this outfit was meant to be together. I don't know, is this a skirt? Oh no, it's like a, I'm like, I don't know what this is. Okay, it's like it goes over the dress. It's kind of like a sweater. It has like kind of sweater material, but interesting. It looks like it kind of goes low. So maybe like, so you can see the top. We'll see. Let's try it on, I don't know. Okay, yeah, so the shipping label comes, and then all the prices and stuff come for you, and very nicely for me, given to me for you guys. And I will put the link in the description box below so that you guys can get the code, and it does help me and my fam out when you guys use those codes, so thank you in advance. So here's a necklace. Oh, that's cute. I like, it kind of looks like a moon shape. That's cute. I'm actually wearing a Nadine West that I just did a video for, this little dress that I'm wearing, and I have leggings recently. so here's the necklace. Oh, that's bright. Here's a very bright gold necklace. You guys see that? The necklace. And then there's some, oh my gosh, there's some earrings. Here's another earring. Here's the earring, and then the necklace. So I thought this outfit was super cute and playful, especially for like being cute in the house, lounging around. You know, when you're a wife, you gotta still be cute when you're at home. And I really liked how it was cut. You know, sometimes when you wear a t-shirt, it's really basic and boring, but it has like the cute little buttons in the front, and I just thought it was cute. So I liked this jumper, but I don't show my arms like that. Definitely would be showing my bra straps. I mean, I guess I could get like a bra without straps, but I don't really wear that. So I would have had to add like a sweater to it. So this red dress was banging, but it was a little bit too tight for me. It kind of showed my mom belly, which I'm working on. And I'm like, ooh, girl, you need to work on that. But I just probably would have to wear something on top of this until I get that mom belly together, and I just can't right now. So I was really glad that she added this in so I could cover up my bum, and it kind of shielded my mom belly. So I think this is a nice, cool trick, and I thought the red looked really cute under the black sheer chiffon. Really kind of dressed it up and made it classy. So I thought that this so I don't really wear trousers, if you guys didn't know, but if I did, I really like this little pairing. I think it's cute with the pinstripes, and again, I might wear it like working around the house, but I don't really wear pants out. But I thought it was cute though. So these leggings were to die for. Like, I needed these in my life. They're cute. So I love how they matched the blouse. This blouse, I was kind of like, okay, I like floral, but it wasn't really my favorite. I would wear it. Came out a little tight on me. Now, this thing, I do not know what this is. I still haven't figured out for what purpose you would wear this little teal thing. It's not cute. So I didn't like that. But everything else is cute.
So did you guys like the outfits? Please let me know what your favorite one was in the comment section below. I'll put the prices for you on ashontel.com. The link, if you want to sign up for Nadine West, get your own pink package right to your doorstep, is in the description box below. Please tell me what your favorite outfit was, what you would want to wear, and I'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.